sound effects, man versus woman. Angie and I have always had a discussion that men are generally better at sound effects than women.
Cars, gun shooting, fireworks.
So we thought we'd put it to the test. So we shot some footage and we took turns at making our own sound effects while we watched the footage. Angie went first, and then I went, and then we watched the two and compared them to see who was better.
Men or women?
Exactly. Yeah, I'll have to admit that when I was watching my own sound effects, I thought I was better than I was. But I don't think I really am. Because then I watched Angie's, and they're comparable. I mean, she's not that bad. Either I stink, or she's really good for a woman at sound effects.
It wasn't that good.
Yeah. Well, we'll see. We're going to give you guys a chance to watch them. You can either... We'll show you... Yeah. Well, you should have them vote. That's great.
So we're going to have you guys vote to see if I'm better or if he's better.
So we're going to show you just a few clips, about 10 seconds. Here's a clip from my version. Oops.
And here's a clip from my version. Clink, 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 clink. Plop, 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 twist, twist, twist.
So now that you've seen the clips, I want you to watch the full version. You can watch mine right here.
Or mine right here.
I want you to go there and then vote on who do you think made the best sound effect, man versus woman. And if you haven't seen any of our other videos, you can either click up here, or you can click over there, click on some links, and yeah, why don't you vote, leave some comments on what you voted. We'll tally up the points and see who won. So go ahead and click. You can either watch mine, hers, other videos, whatever you want to do. It's up to you. In the meantime, you can meet our little dog Jasper if you want. Come here, Jasper. Come here. Hey, here's Jasper. For everybody that you haven't met him.
He needs a haircut.
Needs a haircut. He's our little Maltipoo dog. He just kind of sits over in the corner. That's why you haven't seen much of him. He's sitting on the table.
Give you kisses.
Anyway, here's Angie. Say Angie.
He's so cute.
Hey, Jasper. Anyway, click on the links. See ya.